You need to press the top button to shift into second gear. I use second and third gear a lot when mountain driving, so this is annoying. Remove the front console by 8 screws. Remove shift position switch by 2 bolts. Then you see this. Use a file to round the corner. Remember, this is no turning back. Test it before you file it too much. I still want to keep a bit of resistance. I'm happy with this. Install the shift position switch and test it. We are good to go.